Take it slow, 'cause I'm yours. Maybe I should hold you tight, hold you right, so you know that tonight you are gold. I just want a part of it. I think I'm losing this, so let's go. It's getting close to midnight, but the feeling's right. I see the signs under these purple lights. It's hard to fight it, but then every time I close my eyes, I feel like I'm falling back to earth, crash into a place where we once were. I feel it in the way our worlds collide, 'cause you take me to another life, and I feel like I'm drowning in your love. I can't go a day without your touch. I can try to fight, but it's not enough. It's not enough.
Check it. It's obvious that you and me together would have killed the scene. But since you went away, I'm in another world. I cannot escape this dream. I used to feel my heartbeat skip every time that I see you in the streets. But now you in my air and I just feel it coming down. Man, I'm falling so deep, feeling under the weather when you come up on my timeline. Couldn't find another girl that was so fine. Now our love is nothing more than just nostalgia. Never in my life could I ever see this outcome. Now you're gone, hope you're coming back when you hear the song. But in the meantime, I'ma put it down in rhymes, bring it back.